Hello everyone. Have you ever been on a poultry farm? Let me know in the comments what you think about raising chickens for meat and egg production. In today's video, we'll see the process of raising chickens by poultry farmers. The process begins with hatching chicks, either naturally through broody hens or using incubators. Incubators simulate the ideal conditions for hens to hatch eggs, maintaining the right temperature and humidity. This ensures a higher hatch rate and healthier chicks. Newly hatched chicks need a warm and secure environment to grow. Brooders equipped with heat lamps keep the chicks cozy and safe. Temperature plays a crucial role in their development, and it's essential to monitor it carefully. Did you know that the brooding temperature should be around 35 degrees Celsius for the first week and then reduced by 3 degrees Celsius each week until the chicks are fully feathered? A balanced diet is vital for the chicks' healthy growth. Farmers use chick starter feed, specifically formulated with the right nutrients for their early stage. It's essential to provide clean, fresh water at all times. At around 8 weeks, the farmer transitions to using grower feed until the chickens are ready for layer feed or a specialized diet for meat production. As the chicks grow into pullets or young hens, they'll need more space in a chicken coop. This is a significant step in their development as they adapt to a new environment and socialize with other members of the flock. Providing perches and nesting boxes encourages natural behavior. Allowing chickens to forage naturally is essential for their well-being and nutrient intake. They scratch and peck at the ground, finding insects, worms, and plants, which supplement their diet and provide essential nutrients. Additionally, it reduces feed costs and supports sustainable practices. At around 18 to 24 weeks of age, hens will start laying eggs. This is an exciting time for any chicken raiser. A hen will lay eggs even without a rooster. However, if fertilized eggs for hatching are wanted, a rooster is needed in the farmer's flock. Did you know that some breeds are better layers than others, producing up to 300 eggs a year? Regular egg collection is crucial to maintain egg quality and reduce the risk of them getting dirty or broken. The eggs are stored in a cool and clean environment, ideally a refrigerator. In case of hatching the eggs, it's important to collect and store them properly for maximum hatchability. Some hens may go broody, which means they want to hatch eggs and raise chicks. This natural behavior can be encouraged or discouraged, depending on the breeding goals of the farmer. If a farmer decides to let a hen raise chickens, a secluded nesting area and necessary support is provided. Having roosters in the flock requires managing their numbers to avoid conflicts and ensure a harmonious flock dynamic. Generally, maintaining a balanced ratio of 1 rooster for every 8 to 10 hens is essential. Excessive roosters can lead to aggression and stress among the flock members, negatively impacting their well-being. Slaughtering chickens is a sensitive subject, but it's essential to do it humanely and respectfully. Quick and efficient methods are used to minimize stress and discomfort for the birds. Proper equipment and training are vital for a humane process. Following industry guidelines and standards is needed to maintain a high level of animal welfare during chicken slaughter, resulting in higher quality poultry products for consumers. After the slaughter, the chickens are processed and butchered into different cuts. Each part is carefully separated and prepared for sale or personal consumption. This step requires skill and knowledge to maximize the value of the bird. Proper packaging and labeling are important for selling chicken meat. It ensures the product's safety, hygiene, and provides customers with essential information about the product. This step is especially important for small-scale producers selling directly to consumers. Maintaining the meat at the right temperature is essential for preserving its quality and freshness until it reaches its destination. Properly equipped refrigerator trucks are utilized to ensure the chicken meat stays at the optimal temperature, preventing spoilage and ensuring safety. Larger producers work closely with distributors, adhering to strict guidelines and using advanced tracking systems to monitor temperature and delivery times. The efficient transportation process ensures that consumers receive fresh and high-quality chicken meat products. The final step in raising chickens for eggs and meat is selling the products to consumers. At farmers markets, producers proudly display their fresh chicken eggs and meat cuts, building relationship with customers. What poultry products do you like the most? If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe and let me know in the comments what you want to see in the next one. Goodbye and have a nice day.